Hello car lovers. After weeks of testing some of the hottest rearview mirror dash cams on the market with Apple CarPlay, I'm here to spill the tea. You're about to find out which dash cam truly reigns supreme, and my number one pick might just blow your mind. So keep watching to the end. Don't forget to hit that like button, and make sure to subscribe to my channel. I have got great reviews coming up that you don't want to miss. Also, don't forget to check the description below for links to each dash cam, where you can buy yours at the best price and see all the details. Now, let's start from the bottom of the list and work our way up. Trust me, you'll want to stick around for number 1, it's a game changer. Number 5. Hikity Wireless CarPlay Mirror Dash Cam. Let's kick things off with the Hikity Wireless CarPlay Mirror Dash Cam. First impressions? It's compact and gets the basics done. The 9.66-inch IPS touchscreen is smooth, and the 150 degrees front and 120 degrees rear lenses do a decent job capturing the road. Wireless CarPlay? Oh yeah, it's here, and it works okay most of the time. Now, the anti-glare screen is supposed to enhance visibility, but honestly, under strong sunlight or nighttime glare, it struggles. It's not terrible, but there's room for improvement. The parking monitor is a nice touch, if only they included the parking monitor cable with the package. Still, it's a solid choice for someone on a budget who doesn't need top-tier features. But keep watching, because we're only getting started. Number 4. NHOPEEW Rear View Mirror Camera. Coming in at number 4 is the NHOPEEW 9.66-inch Rear View Mirror Camera. Now, this one steps up the game with wireless and wired CarPlay and Android Auto. The 170 degrees front camera and 140 degrees rear camera cover a wide field of view, and its WDR tech gives you better visibility in tunnels or dim lighting. Driving at night? The Super Night Vision definitely works better than Hikity's setup. The Bluetooth music function and FM transmitter are fun extras, letting you jam to your playlist through the car's speakers. However, the user interface can be a bit clunky. It's not the most intuitive system, and I found myself fumbling through settings more than I'd like. Also, while it comes with a 64GB card, upgrading to 128GB can be tricky if you don't know your way around tech. Still, it's got a lot going for it, especially for tech enthusiasts who love customizing their gadgets. Number 3. AMPrime Mirror Dash Cam. Sliding into third place is the AMPrime Mirror Dash Cam. What stood out immediately is its seamless integration with wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. Connecting your phone is almost effortless, and the voice control features. Chef's kiss. You can navigate, play music, and even answer calls without touching a single button. The video quality is sharp, 1080 pixels for both front and rear cameras, and the WDR tech handles low-light scenarios like a champ. But here's the thing, the reversing assist feels a bit outdated compared to others in its category. The parking monitor works only with the included power supply, which isn't the most convenient. And while the FM transmitter is a nice feature, it occasionally struggles to sync perfectly with your car's radio. Overall, it's reliable, functional, and a step above the first two contenders. But wait until you see what's next. Number 2. JOMISE C810 Mirror Dash Cam. Now, the runner-up is the JOMISE C810 Mirror Dash Cam. This thing is a beast. With its 2.5K resolution front camera, every detail on the road is crystal clear. The pullable front camera is a clever touch, giving you flexibility in adjusting the angle. Voice control is a game changer here. From playing music to navigating, you can do it all hands-free. Plus, the GPS tracking feature? Super accurate. It records your speed, position, and direction, which is invaluable in case of any disputes. The screen's clarity in different lighting conditions is impressive. However, the audio options can be a bit overwhelming with the FM transmitter, external speaker, and Bluetooth all vying for attention. It's a near-perfect choice for those who want premium features without breaking the bank. But it's not number 1 for a reason. Number 1. JOMISE K17 Pro Mirror Dash Cam. Finally, the crown jewel, JOMISE K17 Pro. This 12-inch touchscreen beauty is an absolute powerhouse. With its 2.5K resolution and zoom function, it doesn't just record, it captures every detail you'll ever need. Whether it's a license plate or the tiniest road sign, this dashcam doesn't miss a beat. The zoom function is a lifesaver. Got into a fender bender? You can zoom in up to 3 times to clearly see what happened. Plus, the reversing assist is top-notch, making it perfect for new drivers. The G sensor locks critical footage during emergencies, and the GPS tracker records everything you need in a dispute. The installation? Super straightforward, and it's compatible with just about any vehicle. But the K17 Pro's price tag is on the higher side. That said, you get what you pay for: premium features, unmatched clarity, and a seamless driving experience. If you're ready to invest in a reliable, feature-packed dashcam, the JOMISE K17 Pro is the one to beat. Alright, there you have it. My top 5 rearview mirror dash cams with Apple CarPlay, ranked from good to absolutely amazing. Which one's your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget, links to buy these dash cams are in the description. Smash that like button, subscribe for more in-depth reviews, and share this video with your friends. Let's make every drive safer and smarter. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.